welcome. If you have been experiencing spiritual chills on your journey, then this video is for you. Spiritual chills defines when you get goosebumps from positive outside or internal stimuli, which could be memories, compliments, inspiring music, movies, a loved one, time with friends, praying, praising God, meditation, receiving a confirmation, feeling motivated to strive, gratefulness, and most importantly, feel a cold or hot, euphoric / blissful wave flowing underneath your skin. This euphoric wave can be learned to be brought up on demand consciously for long durations without the physical reaction of goosebumps, and can give one the ability to do incredible feats with it. This video will be about why does it feel weird or even painful when this energy is activated, manually or automatically. The first and most evident reason why you are experiencing painful chills is because you have a cold or a fever. This is a really common way that you will feel pain while you might be trying to induce spiritual chills or get them automatically. If this is the case, then it should go back to a euphoric feeling after your body has returned to its healthy state. Next reason is a little more complex because of the fact that when you experience spiritual chills, you are using your accumulated spiritual energy from things you have consumed that have a direct energetic offering to your being. For example, breathing, drinking, or the sun's heat gives you not so direct spiritual energy, also known as prana, chi, or ki. But the first one to be used by your body when you activate your spiritual chills is your energy from sources that have a direct contact to your interior self and that you primarily use while awake, meaning food, substances with calories, and anything else that you consume. Since the energy side of those things are a lot easier to get through their distinct smell, taste, and composure, it is also their energy source that are first used when you bring up your spiritual chills. So the other reason why your spiritual chills can make you feel pain is because the things you consume have a detrimental energy source or have had an alteration during its creation, which is giving you energy that is detrimental for the health and growth of your source. Some are really obvious, like drugs, cigarettes, tobacco, alcohol, but others are not so obvious, like artificial sugar / flavorings, preservatives, oils, milk, fruits, and vegetables grown with pesticides, or that are genetically modified and processed foods in general. These should all be avoided when trying to be in tune with your spiritual energy. They are not helping it grow, but mostly mixing itself with your source to taint it. This happens to the point that when you do feel spiritual chills, whether automatically or manually, it will either give you a headache, make you feel tired, or as if you have poison circulating inside of you, and to the point that you feel it hurting you. Perfect remedies for this is to completely change your diet to more supportive prana sources from biological, grass-fed, organic, and unaltered food. Stay away from toxic substances that you ingest. Spending a couple days fasting is great for your body to get rid of the accumulations of harmful spiritual energy, and even going through a few cleanses will help you tremendously. When your spiritual energy is healthy, every time it is brought up, you will feel as if a pure frequency is entering you and is emitting from you, feeding your spirit. Or as if you are drinking water while thirsty on a hot summer day, or literally make you feel elevated, leaving you awake, aware, energized, boosted, positive, regenerated, and with an ecstatic feeling. Thank you for watching this video, and tune in next week for videos going more in depth on what you can do, how to strengthen it, how to feel it, and much more on spiritual chills.